Hello everybody, this is how to fix a Haier AC unit, wall AC unit. The code F12 came up on my wall. This is the outside unit right here. And so anyway, I took, I'll show you here. Let me switch this around. I took the top cover off. Then you got to take this off, which just slips off. So there's some screws for the top cover. Anyway, you'll get there. There's another cover in there, a really small one. You pop that off, you'll see what it is, and you'll see this circuit board. The first thing that I saw was somehow some frogs got in there, and you can see the burn marks here. And so I was like, well, it needs a new motherboard. And so I went looking for a new motherboard. The way to find out which motherboard you have is you can unscrew the motherboard. There's some screw holes here. Sorry about that. You can unscrew that motherboard out, and then it's popped in here. There's these plastic pieces. You just pop it out. There's going to be a bunch of wires underneath there. You'll be able to get underneath there when you remove this. You can pop it out from the top, and then you'll be able to see underneath there when this cover is gone. And with that, what I did is I was trying to find out the model, and underneath there, the main number you're looking for is right there. It's so you'll have some kind of, I don't know what those are, capacitors or something like that. And right here, you'll see there's a number right there. That's the number you need, and pay attention to a letter, because that letter makes a difference. So mine was a letter H. It was that number and a letter H. I actually found a new one of these on Amazon, believe it or not, which blew my mind. It got here pretty quick. They said I ordered it early January, I believe, and they predicted about middle of February, but it's not even the end of January yet, and it got here. Anyway, you pop this out. What I would recommend, it was in there like this. This would be the bottom view. And what I did is when I took it out, popped it up, I took a picture of the whole thing, see where all the wires are, and then I just unplugged all the wires, tried to keep them where they were. I'll show you. You'll have wires plugged in here, like a black and white, wires plugged in here, wires plugged in here, one over here, and then you have these ones. This top row, it's 5 wires for me anyway, so that was easy. Just kind of kept them where they were. There's a couple more. There's another one that plugs in here, and this green one that plugs in here. Anyway, just unplugged all of those. All I used was, I ended up using, this one didn't really help. I used this one here to pop some of those wires out, and then a regular screwdriver. These ones were just backup. I never used those. And yeah, I just popped it all up, and then plugged it all back in according to the diagram that I had for the picture that I had for this. Screwed it all back together, put it all back together, and it fixed my code, fixed everything. It's working. So hopefully this someone helps you, but I couldn't find anything really on YouTube or internet, so maybe this will help you out fixing code F12 or just period. If your AC unit, this one right here, if it starts giving you some codes, look up the codes obviously, but I would take it apart and check out your motherboard first to see how fried it is or what's wrong with it, and you might just have to fix that. This board cost me, I believe it was like 250 bucks, something like that. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Bye.